This rolling farm unfolds to beauty in every direction, from hilltop meadows to huge, towering old oaks, to level fenced pasture and a beautiful stream. This is a place to call home, start your own farm, expand the pasture and bring more livestock. 5 minutes off Corridor H/Route 48 at Baker, and just a minute off Old 55, you couldn't find a better location for convenience to Moorfield or Winchester. The 100-plus-year-old farmhouse has been renovated with rustic charm and is quite livable. In addition, a new well has been installed on the hilltop for a build site, should you choose to build your dream home. It affords a splendid panoramic view to the east. An enormous, new 3,200 square foot barn/garage has recently been built. It includes water, heated floor hookup, 2 stalls for horses, a hay mow and plenty of room for farm equipment storage, a workshop and garage for vehicles, toys and then some. A farm like this doesn't come along often.